Check, check, check 1, 2. This is a microphone test. I'm using my Rode M5 microphone, which I've been using for quite some time now. On top of the camera, it's pointing back at me. It's actually a instrument mic, but it works quite well for vocals. I also use it as a mic stand for voiceover so that the two microphones match, and I also use it for the Amp Hour podcast as well. But I'm just going to try a Rode NT55 mic, which is very nice. This one actually, this is an omnidirectional capsule on top, and you can see, isn't this beautifully engineered? Look at that. I love that. So that's the omnidirectional module, but it also comes with this is a second-hand mic, also comes with the cardoid pattern as well. So I'm going to whack this on. It's also got variable low frequency cut as well, and also gain as well. Hopefully I will try and match the gains on this thing, but I'll give the NT55 a go. They're both a half-inch capsule, I believe, so they're just slightly different lengths. The Rode M5's only about this long, and the NT55 is a little bit longer. So I'm going to give it a go. I just want to see what the omnidirectional mic is actually like, because behind the camera, the Rode M5 works fine, but if I sort of peer over towards, I'm kind of like beside the mic now, so if I'm like really beside the camera, sort of getting in here with my hands poking around like this, and then if I go around the back of the mic like this, move around to the other side down here, and I'm now talking down, instead of talking sort of more towards the mic, I'm talking down towards the bench itself, then you're probably going to hear a bit of a difference, especially in the low frequency stuff. So I want to see if I'm sure that the cardoid won't make much difference. It'll sound near identical to the cardoid pattern of the M5 mic, but I just want to see what the Omni does. Anyway, the Omni probably won't be as nearly as tight a pattern. So anyway, just want to give it a whirl. Now I've got the NT55 mic with the Omni capsule. So once again, it's a same distance as before with the Rode M5. I don't have a poppy filter over the top of it. Anyway, going around to the side, now I'm right down. Now I'm talking towards the bench again. I'll go around the back of the camera like this. Check, check, check 1, 2. And I'm talking down towards the bench again. So this is the omnidirectional NT55. Let's try the cardoid. Okay, check, check, check 1, 2. This is the NT55 with the cardoid capsule, 0 dB gain. I haven't changed any gain on the camera at all. Based on the VU meter on the screen, it looks very similar. Anyway, I'm now talking sort of like into the mic. As I said, there's no pop filter on it like there was with the M5, so sorry about that. Now talking down towards the bench, down towards the product here. I'll go around the back of the camera. Check, check, check 1, 2. Now I'm talking back down towards the bench on the right hand side, and I'll have to go listen to this on my monitors to hear the difference. Let me know what you think. Catch you next time. Just a bonus, I'm back on the NT55 on the cardoid capsule. I'm behind the camera, probably 30 centimeters away as I usually am, so it's going to sound excellent, but I'm actually going to step now a half a meter away. I am not increasing my voice at all. I'm probably now a meter away from it. Once again, talking directly into the mic. Let me move it up a bit so it's pointed straight at me. So with it, this is with the cardoid mic, and of course the volume will have dropped. I can see that on the VU meter, and now I'm 1.5 meters back and maybe 2 meters away now. I just want to try that, compare. Now I'm back behind the camera. I just want to compare when I step away from the camera with the Omni. Now I've got the omnidirectional capsule on the NT55. I'm 30 centimeters away, and what I'm really trying to test here is whether or not the Omni capsule is actually better for behind camera work like this. And from the listening back on my focal studio monitors, I think it might be, especially when I'm talking down towards the bench like I am now, which is the problem with having a cardioid mic, because it's not supposed to pick up, you know, it's hugely attenuated from the rear, whereas now I'm back behind the mic. Okay, I'm a half meter away now, talking directly into it. I'm probably a meter away now, talking directly into it. Check, 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 1, 2. Now I'm probably 2 meters away talking into the omnidirectional capsule. So I'll actually go off to the side like this. I'm now way off angle. In fact, I'm right on the right hand side of this, probably 1.5 meters away. And go left hand side, 1.5 meters away. Check, 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 1, 2. You're going to start hearing the room acoustics because I'm not close, but the Omni should pick it up more evenly now I'm back behind the camera. Catch you next time.